Why should churches and parishes perform capital reserve studies? I'm Britt, WBTC3.com. Here are 3 reasons that churches and parishes need capital reserve studies. Number 1, it's to plan their building maintenance. Churches and parishes need to know ahead of time when their HVAC system is going to fail, when they need new plumbing, when they need new electrical. This way, number 2, they can raise funds around those repairs. So they're able to do capital improvement drives. They're able to raise funds from the congregation or from other donor sources to improve these buildings. Number 3, it avoids the risk and the worry and the anxiety of not knowing when things need to be repaired or replaced. So we plan ahead, we raise the money, and we reduce risk for you with a capital reserve study. Check us out at WBTC3.com.